Hey everyone, welcome to today's demo. We're going to take a look at a Spring Boot application that's currently deployed to Tanzu Cloud Foundry. The Spring Pet Clinic application has been a very popular reference implementation of the Spring patterns for years. We'll start by checking it out inside of Apps Manager. Here we can see the integrated Spring Boot actuator endpoints providing us with key information like Spring Boot and Java versions. As you can see, we're currently running on Spring Boot 2.7.3 and Java 8. While this setup has served us well, it's time for an upgrade. Now, let's switch over to the Spring Application Advisor. This tool is going to help us plan our upgrade from Java 8 and Spring Boot 2 all the way up to Spring Boot 3 and a newer Java version. Here, we are using Spring Application Advisor 1.2.0. Advisor build config get generates metadata for the application. It includes the Java version, the Maven version, and CycloneDX formatted software bill of materials. That build config is then used to generate an upgrade plan. As you can see, this plan has 7 steps. Each step designed to be a safe milestone delivered with an easy to consume change set. With our newly generated plan, we can use Advisor Upgrade Plan Apply with the -- push flag to generate a new pull request on a new branch in that same repository. This step is applying recipes to move the repository to the next safe milestone. Let's take a look at the pull request. Inside of our GitHub repo, we can see that we've got a new branch and we also have a pull request. We can then look at that pull request and do a code review. We can see all of the changes that were made. These changes are effectively coming from the Spring team. Repeatable. If we run it again, we'll get the exact same results. Let's move forward with the next 2 steps. With this 3rd step of the migration process, we have moved beyond just bumping versions and changing dependencies. We're moving from Spring Boot 2.x to Spring Boot 3.x. This has an additional requirement of upgrading to Java 17. Here we will see the package naming changes, for example, from Javox to Jakarta, that were needed in that upgrade to Java 17. Additionally, we'll do our REST endpoint mappings. In Spring Boot 2.x, the endpoint mappings were the same with or without the trailing slash. The Spring Application Advisor recipes have ensured that your application behaves the same way before and after the migration. For sake of time, I'm going to complete all the other 7 steps of the migration plan in the background. I've deployed the application back to Tanzu Cloud Foundry, where I can run both versions side by side to validate behavior and measure improvements in performance, latency, memory footprint, and startup time. As before, we can see that our app is still healthy. All the amazing integrations are still available, front and center. Looking deeper, we can now see that our application is running Spring Boot 3.4.4 and Java 21. And there you have it, a successful upgrade with my favorite feature of Tanzu, the Spring Application Advisor. Thank you. Uses with the help of Spring Application Advisor.